Jamaica, coconut harvesting is no easy feat. Well, things are about to get a whole lot sweeter for the processing aspect, thanks to the Lawton brothers from St. Mary, here to tell us about a new development to aid coconut farmers with Metsada Sikari Limited, our managing director, Carl Lawton, and co-owner, Carol Lawton. This is Carl, and that's Carol.
Yeah,
how are you both?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
So, St. Mary brothers.
Yes.
What
What this is a coconut grinder.
Mm-hmm. I've never seen one before.
Okay, what it does, it pretty much grinds the coconut to a powdery format. So instead of the time for the worker to be huxing out a coconut,
Yes.
it simplifies it and it's more efficient. So when a person does 1,000 for the day, with this they can do 2,000, 3,000.
Right.
So it's basically you just turn the machine on,
Yeah.
put it over, just in the hooks,
Yeah.
and then it takes it out.
This is for professionals, or anybody can do
Anybody,
this in your home?
anybody can do that in their home.
Right, so piece
Right?
Sunday just got better.
Exactly.
All right,
And
okay.
then after it's finished now, like for the candle persons, we use the finished ox to put wax in to make candles.
Yes, you do that. You do that.
We do a
You
small
that?
amount of that.
Okay, okay.
Yes, and with this powder also, we're in the process of making coconut flour, right, gluten-free. Like the pancake mix,
Yes.
gluten-free. You can feel it and see.
I was going to ask you if I could touch it.
Yes,
but
you can.
You're not going to get nobody to eat it.
No.
See, nice and soft. Look
Yes.
at that. Let's show the people.
Yeah.
Nice and soft.
Yes. Yes.
Lovely. There you go. So Metsada Sikari Limited.
Yes.
Tell me more about what the company does. You just mentioned quite a few things there.
Yes.
What else?
What we do pretty much farming processes, right? We do consulting to other farmers, right? We do product innovation for farmers. For instance, if you're a farmer and you're having an issue with getting, say, your produce out of the farm, right? Or you need a machinery to design to get it out of the farm. We come and look at your particular situation and then adapt something to help you.
So you all created
Yes.
it?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
Carol, tell me, how much is it for a machine like this? Can anybody purchase it from you?
That
or
machine is approximately,
like we can buy it from you?
yes, you
Okay.
can.
Yeah.
It's about 55,000 Jamaican.
Yeah. And do they all come at this size, or do you have them bigger?
Depends on if you want a residential or if you want an industrial, then we'd have to change the motor size to adapt to that to make it more efficient.
Ah. All right. Am I allowed to try, gentlemen?
Yes, you can.
All right.
Well,
He's like, I don't want it.
no, because you have to have the proper safety equipment. to be
Oh,
honest,
I don't have- right.
Yeah, without the proper safety equipment, I wouldn't suggest using it.
Okay, but you know the machine, so you can do it? Or you
Yes,
need
I can give you a small
Yeah,
demonstration.
man, I want
yeah.
to. But you don't have your safety
No,
equipment.
because
Yeah,
yeah,
expert. You are an expert.
I can
sir.
give you a little idea how it works.
Yes.
Right?
And only dry coconut, right?
Yes, only dry coconut.
Okay.
It's also, if you're baking, the white part, you can just bake with the white part versus the brown part.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can
Yeah.
choose.
Okay, I'll come in so you can tell me that.
And so
after.
pretty much all it does
Yeah.
is you put a bin underneath, right? And then when it goes, you just basically just put it over it. See? And takes out the hooks.
Oh,
That's,
oh, lovely. So how do you get the, Carol was talking about the white and the brown part.
okay. What happened when it hooks the coconut, right? You can have it plain white, right? Like so you can have like a plain white, or you can have it where it goes all the way down to the brown part of the coconut. So that's why you have that different mix.
right.
So you can have it for cakes if you want to do it for cakes.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want to powder cakes, you can just have the white part.
Oh, so you know when to stop so you can separate it.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
Oh,
correct.
this is really cool.
Yes.
So how do we get in touch with you, gentlemen?
It's by email, my email, which is Lawton Carl, K with Carl with a K, number 8 at gmail.com.
Made and assembled in Jamaica.
Yes, made and assembled in Jamaica.
All right. So what are you saying now? You climb a tree, you get your coconut,
Yes,
you dry it,
yes.
and then you just
Yes. No, the coconut
dry
dries
on the
on the
tree.
tree.
right. You
Yeah.
pick a dry coconut.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I mean, I look, so why you bring them one?
Okay.
What are you doing?
No,
these,
this
though?
is actually something different.
Oh.
These are two different machines.
So it's
also.
you move.
This is one machine. These are other two different machines.
Tell me.
Because we have a product line of about 10 machines.
Yeah.
right?
It's 10 machines and a half?
If you look at the on the screen, this is the peeler, the coconut husker.
Oh, so cool. Oh my goodness.
So
Tell me how that works on.
I'll just give you an idea how
Yes.
it works because it's kind of.
All right, just wait till they pull that off the screen. So
okay.
I want our viewers to see.
Let me have that.
So
dry
now
one
anybody
also.
can peel a coconut, which is one of the things that is stopping the farmers right
Yes.
now.
So with this now, a person can do. Normally, a person that we hire to peel coconuts,
Yeah.
they probably do about 1,500. Some may do 700. Depends on the person. But with this now, you're guaranteed if the person is working timely to do like 3,000
Wow.
for the day. So all it is that the person would basically do this. So the energy that it takes them to be pushing and pulling with a machete and all of that, that's a waste of time.
Yeah, that's
so,
how Delia does
yes.
it with the machine.
So you just basically go like this.
Yeah.
And
Delia,
turn.
Look at this. Oh, cool. Done.
It's a process. So you just
There you
keep
go.
going around
Yeah.
and it finishes it. Just like that. And then this machine right here, right, is a combination of this, but for persons with, like if they're armed, like older persons, older workers, right, if instead of you laying them off, we made a foot version. So they can basically use their foot, press down,
Oh, so
and
that's
gives
for
it,
Masami.
yes.
Yeah. Oh.
And it can be converted if you're left-handed or right-handed. When we're making it, we make it individual for a left-handed person or a right-handed person.
So hold on, gentlemen.
Yes.
Carol, what is going on the screen now?
That is climbing. We are-
That's another machine.
Yes.
There is an issue with finding climbers as well as an issue with the health of the tree. So this climber doesn't dig into the tree, as well as it's safer and meets all of Jamaica's future OSHA standards for safety. So this is, the training required also is fast and quick, and anybody can climb a tree.
Yes.
Look at that.
So when we're having labor problems,
Yes.
as far as persons wanting to do farming,
Right.
so with these machines, we're innovating the machines to assist the younger generation to want to be in farming.
Okay. All right. Thank you, gentlemen. I have
Okay,
to
thank
leave
you.
it there. You have more than 10 machines to
Yes.
assist our farmers.
Yes.
So we want people to contact you. Give us a number now.
It's 493-4649.
493-4649.
Yes.
Made and designed in Jamaica, my people.
Yes.
Support them and let's make farming easier. Managing Director from the Metsada Sikari Limited, Carl Lawton, and co-owner Carol Lawton. Thank you, St. Mary
Thank you.
Brothers.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that was lovely. News is next.